I believe that you have seen many VLM related session and talks and all the boosters. So again, I'm also talking about the VLM. So I hope you enjoy the show. And today I'm going to talk about this topic, optimized VLM for ITS applications. So I'm from Nota AI and I'm CTO and co-founder of Nota AI. In this talk, I will talk about what Nota is doing and uh, what especially Nota is doing on the ITS field, and about the challenges in the ITS. So how VLM can help the ITS and how to help to solve the problems in the ITS field. So and then there are many remaining problems and we are trying to solve. So I will introduce what kind of things are in my mind. So firstly, let me introduce Nota AI. So we are 9 years old startup based on South Korea, Seoul, and also we have our office at Sunnyvale and Berlin. So basically, when we introduce ourselves, we say it like this. So we are kind of bridging the gap between the semiconductor field and also AI field. So basically, what you're doing is like this. So based on the hardware, there's many limitation and constraint caused by its hardware, like its coverage of the operators or the layers or the size of the memory, these kind of things. And unfortunately, every AI model is not invented for specific hardware. So that means that the AI models has to be modified or tuned to be deployed onto the specific hardware. So we are helping this. So based on the hardware and the AI model, we change the AI model so that AI model can be deployed onto the hardware. So that's our main role. So how we are doing uh, to solve this kind of problem is by offering and providing the tool named Nespresso. So Nespresso is a tool, takes the input as the model and the output is the model. But its input model is a very inefficient model and the model could not be deployed onto the device. But once it comes through the Nespresso, the output model can be deployed onto the hardware. So that is the main contribution of the hardware. So we are now selling this product to the semiconductor companies.